Welcome to the RSA demonstration. Today, I'll be giving you a quick tour on how to edit a page. Feel free to navigate and explore your options afterward. Let's begin. For the sake of this tutorial, I have previously created some pages. Let's select one to edit the layout. As you can see, I already have here my page title. I selected No for the show page title. I chose the landing page I want to assign this to and created my page slug. These are the mandatory fields we need to fill in before we can continue to the edit page layout. Seeing that I was able to meet the expectations, let's directly move on to the next section. Just like the edit landing page layout, you will have the same interface. On the left side is where your widgets are, and in the middle of your screen is where your available positions ready to be customized. Let me show you a sample of a page instead and see for yourself how different it is from a landing page. Since both the landing page and the page have the same available positions and widgets, the main differences is here are the logo is minimized and displayed at the upper left. No cover photo around here. And there is a home button for you to click should you wish to go back to the landing page where this is connected to. Let's click home. Now you're back to the landing page. To get back to your page though, make sure you have added something like a slider widget, just like this one here, so as to establish the connection between your landing page and your separate page. Let's click Read More. And there you have it. We're back to our page. Again, for any changes, please do not forget to click the green Save button on your widgets.